Let's talk about elemental analysis of Uganda. The Republic of Uganda, located in East Africa, it shares the boundary with Kenya, South Africa, Congo, Rwanda, and Tanzania. Uganda has vast deposits of crude oil and natural gases, but still Uganda listed in one of the poorest country in the world. Corruption and conflict is the main barrier in development of Uganda. In the name of Uganda, first letter is U, which is symbol of uranium. Second and third letter G and A, which is symbol of gallium. Fourth letter is N, which is symbol of nitrogen. So Uganda contains uranium, gallium, nitrogen. Uranium is the one of the radioactive element which constantly emit radioactive rays, which is severe threat to the human health because of its hazardous effect. Similarly, continuous eruption of conflict between Lord's Resist Army and Ugandan army is one of the severe threat to the development of Uganda. Next element in the name of Uganda is gallium. Generally, metals having high melting point, but gallium having low melting point. Its melting point is 29.7 degrees Celsius, which means the metallic bond is thermally less stable. Uganda's public sector one of the most corrupt in the world. So corruption is the main problem in the development of Uganda, which destabilizes the economy of the Uganda. Like gallium. Gallium is thermally less stable. Uganda is economically unstable due to corruption. Last element in the name of Uganda is nitrogen. Nitrogen is a triple bonded diatomic molecule. It do not take part in chemical reaction at room temperature because bond dissociation energy is very high. It's very difficult to separate two atoms in a molecule. Uganda has large reserve of crude oil and natural gases, but still it's listed in the heavily indebted poor countries. Like nitrogen, these peoples are strongly bound with poverty due to corporate exploitations. So in the name of Uganda, three elements are there: uranium, gallium, nitrogen. Radioactive uranium is responsible for continuous conflict in the nation. Low melting point gallium is responsible for unstable economy. Inert nature of nitrogen is responsible for poverty of the people. Hope enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.